I don't know about you guys, but when I was beginning Atomy business, and especially if I approach some Filipinos, they say, "Oh, it's a scam. It's a pyramid." I think you've heard about this a lot of times. Oh, I'm just gonna waste a lot of money with Atomy because it's MLM, right? So first we will talk about MLM is just a pyramid scheme. So in reality, pyramid schemes are illegal and focus only on recruitment. Network marketing companies like Atomy, the difference is it focuses on product sales, not on recruitment. One of the biggest misconceptions about MLM is that it is the same as a pyramid scheme. A pyramid scheme is illegal and unsustainable because income comes mainly from recruiting people, not from selling real products. So, in contrast, legitimate network marketing companies like Atomy generate revenue through actual product sales. Commissions are based on product consumption, not simply recruitment. Atomy emphasizes consumer-centered products and sustainable sales structure, not entry fees or mandatory large purchases. So as you can see, even if we register 100 people, if they're not gonna consume our products, we are not gaining anything because Atomy is product based. Okay. So now they also say like you must recruit many people to earn. But the fact is, income is generated from product sales and group volume. Another misconception is that you must recruit aggressively to earn income. You know, when some people are starting the Atomy business, they're so eager to recruit, to register and register a lot of people. But registration is not working if the people are not buying online or even not consuming the products, right? They will just be expired on the lineage and it will give us a hard time to look for the people down under. In reality, network marketing, including Atomy, is based on product movement. Income is generated when products are consumed. Atomy operates on a consumer focused system. Many members join primarily for product benefits and for personal use. Recruitment alone does not create income, but product sales and volume does or do. Next one is MLM products are overpriced. Is it true? Well, in Atomy, the principle is absolute quality and absolute price. Some people believe MLM products are overpriced because of commission structures. However, Atomy operates on the principle of absolute quality at an absolute price. The company focuses on offering high quality products at competitive prices by reducing traditional advertising and distribution costs. Instead of spending heavily on marketing campaigns, Atomy invests in product development and passes the value directly to consumers. If you remember that from the manufacturer of our products, Atomy already eliminates the retailers and the how do you say this, the people in between the manufacturers and the consumers. So from the manufacturers of the products, it goes directly to consumers so that it will eliminate a big junk or a big amount of money so that Atomy will be able to give their products to the consumer at a affordable price yet with a very good quality, right? So this is the aim of Atomy. Even our toothbrush, for example, it's €1 toothbrush and it sells like I think one per second or well, I forgot like one per second or 100 per minute. I forgot, but it sells a lot. Okay. Now, another misconception is MLM is not a legitimate business model. Well, the reality is network marketing is a globally recognized distribution model. Network marketing is often misunderstood as not being a real business. In fact, it is recognized distribution model used worldwide. Companies operate under legal frameworks and government regulations. Atomy operates internationally and complies with local laws in each countries it enters. Like any business model, success depends on effort, product value, and ethical practice. As what you can see here in Europe, right? In Europe, Atomy is open to different countries in Europe. So, meaning to say that each country has their own laws, has their own, um, you know, regulations that Atomy has to abide in order for them to sell on this certain country or this to distribute product to deliver products on these certain countries, right? So Europe, US, Canada, those are some countries that are very difficult to enter because of their rules and regulations. Another myth is that MLM is a get rich quick scheme. But the truth is, I know you could agree with me, guys. The truth is, it requires time, consistency, and teamwork. So another common misconception is that network marketing guarantees quick wealth. When I was beginning Atomy, that was my mistake. Like I was telling people, hey, you could earn like this, and that. But then I forgot like, hey, in order for you to earn this kind of amount, of course, you have to have effort. You have to have your consistency, right? So, like any business, it requires time, effort, learning, and consistency. Atomy promotes long term sustainable growth. Income builds gradually based on product consumption and team development. It is not a lottery. I wish we could all win the lottery. On Friday, it will be, I believe, 100 million for Euro Millions. Did you already bet? I did. So again, it's not a lottery. It is a business opportunity that rewards persistence and responsible effort. Okay. So without consistency, without effort, without dedication, we will not earn a lot through network marketing. And of course, I was just talking to I today, like we have to think outside of the box. What other things we could do in order for us to do our Atomy business efficiently, right? So later on I will tell you after our updates, okay?